5,001, 5,002.
Oh, hey there. My name is Slam Rockhound. I'm the younger brother of Ham Rockhound from the Rock Hunter show. He was gracious enough to give me my own strength and fitness show. I'm out here to see all the trends in strength and fitness and challenge them to prove that I am the strongest. I've been noticing these trends on Instagram like the push-up challenge. Well, I'm going to put it to the true test and show that I am the strongest. So I'm going to show you my little training montage and then how I'm going to use data to show my true gains. Here we go. Gosh, what a workout. 20 days, 20 push-ups every single day. Let's look at that data and check out my gains. So here I got my data. And what I need to do is find the 5-number summary. That's your low number, your Q1, your median, and your Q3, and your high number. Now you should already know how to do this, so we'll go quickly through this. After you have your 5-number summary, your low, Q1, median, Q3, and your high number, you're going to hit insert. You're going to hit chart. Now you want to set this to what Google calls a candlestick, which is another nickname for our box plot. So you're going to hit candlestick. Okay. You're going to move it out of the way a little bit so you can see your numbers, and then scroll your numbers over a little bit so they're visible. And then we have to start putting in our numbers here. So you're going to hit edit chart. Okay. Make sure your numbers are always visible. Your x-axis is going to be your label for what you're collecting. In my case, it's push-ups. So to make the easiest way of doing this is using the data window and then clicking what cell you want. So I just chose U2 because that's where push-ups are. Now your lowest numbers below is your lowest number. So you click here. Okay, move this down a little bit and then click the number that you want. So my lowest number is 5, and then I hit OK. Your open, that's another word for your Q1 because that's when the box plot starts to open. So you can either double click it, or if this comes up, you just have to hit the window button here and then hit Q1 for your open. So mine's 8. The close, again, you hit this select data range window, drag it down a little bit, and then click on. Now the close is not your median. Google Sheets cannot do the median for you, so you'll have to add it in later. So the close is actually your Q3 because that's where the box closes. So you're going to click your Q3, and then your highest number. That is very obvious. That's your high, and you hit OK. All right, you can customize however you want. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. So there is your box plot. The only thing that's missing is your median. So you can draw your median by clicking the Insert, Drawing. You'll choose the line option. It's okay to make it longer. It's better if it's longer than it is too short, so I'm going to make it maybe a little too long. Make it any color. You probably want to make it a little bit thicker. That might be too thick. Let's go 4. All right, so it goes over there, and notice your median's 10. And if you notice on my chart, it's going up by 20s. So we have to put this line about where 10 is. So I'm going to grab the line and drag it. And 0 to 10, well, the bottom of the box is 8, so I'm just going to go a little bit above it. And there is my median. Plot really shows me my gains. The lines from the low to the high show my major gain. I went from 5 push-ups to 55 push-ups. You know what that means? That's right. So the box plot shows you my major gains, and then also breaks up the data into chunks. From this little line, which is my low number, to my quartile 1, that's from 5 to 8, which is the first quartile of my data. So that means 25% of the time I was doing 5 to 8 push-ups during my workouts. And then from 8 to 10, that's another 25% of my data. So that means the other 25% of the time I work out, I was between 8 and 10. All right, you see how those numbers are kind of close together? That means that I was struggling for 25% of the time to break past that 10 mark. And then from the next part of the box, from the median to the close, which is the end of the quartile 3, 10 to 25. So I made a gain of 15 push-ups during that 25% time of my workout. And the last one, from 25 to 55, this is where I made my major gains. So I went up from 25 to 55 push-ups. That's 30 push-ups. So over that last 25% chunk of my workouts, I made a huge gains there. And that's how you break down your dot plot, not dot plot, box plot.